Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Thai-inspired spicy veggie stir-fry. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the wok. Added the onion and start to saute. Add the leek and the garlic and saute some more. Add all the peppers and saute. Add the mushrooms, spices, and carrots and saute some more. Add the broccoli and the snow peas and give it a good saute. Add the sauces and give it a good stir. The rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.